We are back again with another unboxing, and this time it's going to be a second bag from the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami drop. The second drop with the cherry blossoms. So first is going to be the perfume that I purchased. How do you open this? I don't know. Oh. Okay. Great. Woo! Nice. Same old packaging as always. Nothing fancy. And invoice per usual. Alright, so here's the box. And I don't remember what the scent was called. Oh, wow! Wow! They gave stickers this time. Wow. Okay. That is amazing. I've been wanting these stickers since the first drop. And they give the little tag. Don't have this one yet. Super cute. This will be my first set of stickers since they did not give it last time due to a first come first serve basis or limited stock, whatever it was. This is a little envelope. And the first sticker here. This is basically the same design as you see inside of the bags. And the rest are going to be the characters. Oh, here's the onion head. Oh, upside down. Onion head. And then, ooh, another onion head. Cute. Here is the flowers. Iconic. And then the beautiful LV logo. So all of those stickers come inside of here if you're lucky, because like I said, first time around did not receive anything for the first drop and for the first bag in the second drop. I mean, if we're spending so much, why would we not get the cute little stuff that comes with it, like it advertised underneath the product items on the website? Why is it on a limited stock, whatever, while supplies last type of thing? Also, the first bag I purchased from the first drop, the duffel bag, was in store, and they also ran out of stickers or supposedly never received any. So, yep. Okay, so let's open this up. They even included the Takashi Murakami wrapping paper. Nice. How do you open this? Okay. Oh. Alright, so here actually is Le Jour se leve. I probably said that really wrong, but this is the scent name. And here's one of the samples that they gave. Here's what it looks like. They gave me two samples called Le Jour se leve and Dancy Blossom because I actually requested those two. The scent that I purchased is called Spell on You. So I don't know if I even like it. I probably should have requested a sample of this one, but I didn't. So, oops. I actually never opened up the previous perfume that I got from the first drop, and it's still in the box. So we can open both today. The first one that I got is this one right here. It's the Attrape-Rêves. Probably said it wrong, but it had a cute little Christmas holiday tag on there. It did come with this ribbon, and then that's that. Which should we open first? These are the two. $3.90 for the Spell on You. Pretty sure the price was the same for the first one that I got as well. So once I open it, I can't return it, right? Well, it's past the 1 month deadline anyway, so oh well. I can still return the Spell on You since it just came in the other day. Also fast shipping. Purchased on the 14th, which was a Friday, same day as my first Alma BB bag. And I received it on, I don't remember, like a few days ago. And today is the 25th. So it came like, I think within a week. 20 something, not sure. Okay, let's start with the Attrape. And I do like this scent. I smelled it in store. Alright, I think you gotta open it from the side here. And then, okay, how do you, oh, I think it opens like this. Ooh, cute. Okay, here is the little cylinder that it's in. It's a little heavy. Very cute. Alright, let me twist this open. And here it is. Very, very, very cute. This is the design on it. And then on the top, it's just the LV logo on there. Small little bottle, heavy, filled with a lot in here. It has texture. I don't know if you can hear, but definitely not just like a printout or anything that's like taped on. You can kind of see it. Let me see if I can zoom in. Here you can see the texture on the bottle itself. There's no extra layer that's like plastic or anything. It's just that. Next is the Spell on You. I'm gonna open this one up. This I believe was also $3.90. Should be the same price as the first one. And I really, actually, I wanted the blue bottle from the first drop, but that one did not smell good. So I just told myself, let me get one that I did like the scent of. And then also, I can use it. So this is another pink bottle, but it's going to have the cherry blossom design on it. Let me open it here. And then we'll open it up. Okay, very cute, very cute. Oh, it smells good. Okay, I can smell it actually. This is the front of the bottle, or the front of the packaging. Cherry blossom design. And then let's open it up. Oh, very, very cute. Okay, let me pull it out of here and then show you. Spell on You. And again, this is not printed on. You can see that there's texture to the bottle itself. Same thing with the LV logo on top. Okay, so now I can smell it. It smells good. Oof, I'm keeping this. Cherry Blossom with Spell on You. And then from the first drop, 20th anniversary, 20 years later, they came out with another drop with LV. It's the Attrape-Rêves. These are 2 perfumes. All right. Can't wait to smell like these scents. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox my second purse bag from the second drop, but it'll be in the next video. So hope you enjoyed this one, and tune in for the next.